You are welcome to another segment of your informative and educative channel. Today, I'll be talking about cough and throat pain. Cough and throat pain. What are you going to use? The nature are there beckoning, come and use me, come and tap from me. You need lime, you need honey, you need palm kernel oil. You need palm kernel oil. You need honey. You need lime. You need palm kernel oil. How are you going to use the three? Get your lime. You can squeeze it in a bottle. After that, get your hot water as if you want to take tea. Hot water. 2 spoons or 3 spoons of lime in a cup with hot water. 2 spoons of honey. It now depends on how you want it to be sweeter. A 2 spoons is okay. 2 spoons of honey, 1 spoon of palm kernel oil. Yes, that cough, that throat will run away. That is what they are waiting for. That is what we do on our channel to bring it closer to you, to teach you what you can use at any point in time you are in need of it. Like my page, share my page, subscribe to my page, press your notification button so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to watch my video. If you have anything you want to know more, you can send your comments. Any of our products, it is available. I'll be expecting your comment. Till then, don't go away. Another episode is on the way. Stay blessed.